Hey guys, so I think Roblox is hacked because everyone in the server, I was playing Total Hell, and everyone in the server was grey. And once they were noobs, and I heard there's people being saying there's gonna be hackers trying to get in your account if you're not dressed up as a noob. And this girl said in the chat with Telegram, someone's been in your account. And she agrees. That girl the girl who had someone in her account agrees. And says, I know. But they didn't hack her because she was dressed up as a noob. I think this is true. People think it's a glitch, but I think Roblox is kind of getting hacked a little. But I really hope this comes back to normal, because I'll show you guys. Roblox, look, somebody's not working right now. Be patient while we get into it. I mean, ignore the fact that I don't have a share on now. I was trying to change my avatar to noob character, but legit, if this is not working, let me go top out. What? Okay, I'm joining the server. I don't know if everyone's grey. Nearly everyone is grey, and then noob there. Legit, I'm trying to even change my avatar back. I'm trying to put a shirt on. Let me just put this on for now. Okay, let me see if it works. Because if it should work, if it doesn't. See, I have a grey block now. See, it doesn't work. I think, what the? I think Roblox is actually hacked, guys. Oh my gosh. What? I really hope Roblox fix this. Anyway, let me know what you think it is. Do you think Roblox is being hacked? Or do you think it's just a glitch? But let's just hope it gets fixed as soon as possible. Anyways, bye. And this is my first video voice. But bye.